Hello everyone, this is Bharat Jhunjhunwala from Speaking Technically and ProRSI. Guys, again there was a 5-star trade setup that was setting up in Tata Communication. And if you have gone through our ADX series in the YouTube, you must have really got it. Now this was the trade setup. I'm explaining it again. Just have a look at it. When there is a crossover of the DMIs, that is from the positive crosses the negative, while the ADX is still above the 20 levels or the 25 levels, especially the 25 levels. So the ADX is above the 25 levels and there is a crossover, and following this crossover the ADX rolls up without moving down. Now this is a very strong signal that tells us that the trend is no more down and it may go up very aggressively, and that what happened here. You can see here at this point this setup occurred, and at the very moment after that you can see the big candles that has formed in Tata Communication. And also if you can see the moving average band, that is the 8 MA high and the low band, was crossed by this hammer type of formation, and thereafter the prices never looked back. So this is a very powerful setup, guys, and I just wanted to bring to your notice that how this powerful setup plays into the market. And every time this setup occurs, please don't ignore it. This is a very powerful setup. This is Bharat Jhunjhunwala signing off. Keep earning, keep learning, and yes, if you have liked the video, do share it with your friends. Hit the like button and do comment how is the material. Bye bye, trade well.